Welcome back to the Scrap Melt channel. As promised, we are back with this beast. And yeah, these things are awesome. A lot of money in them. In the barrel, making that money, filling a bin up with copper. That is how I roll. I can't say all my money comes from scrapping. Say handyman work and construction work, that kind of thing. But it's my side job and my hobby. And that's what I like to do. I've done this for a long time. Since I was a kid. I ain't stopping now. I mean, eventually I'll stop because I'll be dead. Or I hit the lottery. Even then I probably won't stop. Have fun doing it. There. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you're coming back, hello. How's everybody doing? That's the inside of one of these beasts. This is a dehumidifier. These things are wonderful. They're chock full of money. Lots and lots of copper in these bad boys. From that sealed unit on down to some other goodies like them coils over there. A little bit of ACR action. It's like the gift that doesn't stop giving. We're missing a few things. We do that sometimes. Now there's places that will drain these for you, I guess, if you know the right people. That way you don't do things the illegal way. There you go. It's all trash. But bam, though, there's our goodies. That is what we came to. And as you see, they come apart fairly easy. For the most part. All right. Anyway. Keep them still. Like we doing. Whoop. Every day I'm hustling. Not always on camera, but I'm always hustling. Alright, now we got another motor. side's easier. Little board there, nothing I'm going to worry about because the rest of it's plastic. Pretty much the same thing I'm going to do with that. Nothing. Yeah, screw it, we got it out that far. Shred. Alright, let's keep going here. Likes us to wires. That out the way. Cut the wires. Where's that other wire at? There we go. Pigtails into there. We want it all. I want it all. I want it all. Alright. Then make sure these are drained before you do these. You can cut there. You can cut right up there. Number 2. We get that off to get to there. Now these might have oil in them. So you might want to be careful what you do with these. I usually sit them in a separate bin in case they need to drain. Like so. I'll put all my stuff that's going to have oil in here. These little guys shouldn't. Yeah. They don't usually have oil sitting on them. These do. You might have problems with the other one. That can come off like that. Plastic off and process it for the motor. Stick that there for a second. Bust into the belly of the beast. At least the electrical system if we can. There we go. Ooh, giant capacitor. Now, yes, this thing's been unplugged for a while and not too worried about it. Also don't want to be electrocuted, so I'm going to use my insulated pliers. No spark, we're good. Alright, just like that. And that is the same as on a microwave. Hit both sides together with some insulated pliers or screwdrivers. So screwdrivers are probably better. Everybody has them. You ain't got to worry about them. Let me get back to our cutters. Snip it, snip it, snip it. Making that copper money. I just stuck that over there to get it out of the way. That green Loctite on that crap. That is green Loctite. It's a self-penetrating Loctite, I believe. A little piece of wire. They're a pain in my butt. Shit. Like a cantankerous old man. Just don't want to go. Fuck that. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Another little motor. It's all copper. Number 2. This will never be number 1. It had oil in it. That's their crimp spot because they're not allowed to leave it open. And there's probably why this thing does not work. Corrosion. Well, this will go in there eventually. We'll clean up the ACRs, coils, get rid of the ends. Get rid of the ends. That might not even be. Oh, look at that, it is. Alright. Not gonna do it today. This side I'll just cut the copper coils off because they're copper. This side we gotta cut them off and get that steel off. That's steel. Then they'll become clean ACR radiators. For now, we're going in our copper bin along with this because this is copper bearing too. If you did not know, the old units will sell as copper bearing. They got their own price. And they leak oil. But that's not bad for 15 minutes. About 15 minutes worth of work. Probably get at least $3-4 for that. $3-4 for this plus the wires and the copper. It's not bad for 15 minutes worth of work. It'll make over $10, that's for sure. If you take it down even more, you'll make more money. Cut the ends off, that kind of stuff. Crack that open, get that out, make it a motor. All adds up. Just like this bin will add up. We gonna try and fill it still. People don't like it, they don't like it. That's fine, I understand. I won't put any shorts about stupid shit. I totally understand that. But anyway, I will get all this cleaned up another time. I'm not doing it today. That'll be on another video. That motor will get out of there. I don't have the sockets out here, but basically I'll take that off and then just unbolt the motor inside there, and I'll go right in there. We're gonna set it there for now. I don't want the videos to run on too long because nobody watches it then. And yeah, it's no bueno. I'll stash that in there for now. Just for now, because it's raining. I'd like to thank y'all for tuning in. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Be good. Have a good one. And make that money.